Welcome to the full course online. Before we begin working in Word, the first step is to launch the application. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription and you're signed into the online portal, you'll notice an option to install the desktop apps. On the main page of the portal, click Install Apps. Then select Microsoft 365 apps. This will download and install the desktop versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other apps included in your subscription. Once installed, you can open Word from the Start menu. I'm using Windows 11, but if you're on Windows 10 or an earlier version, the steps might look slightly different. In Windows 11, go to the Start menu and use the search bar at the top to find Word. At this point, I recommend pinning Word to your taskbar for quick access. To do that, right-click on the Word icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. Once pinned, you'll see the icon at the bottom of your screen, making it easy to open Word anytime. Click the icon, and Word will open to the Start screen. On the Start screen, you'll find a few important sections. First is the Home page. Here, you can create a new document or open an existing one. If you want to create something new, choose Blank Document or select one of the ready-made templates. We'll talk more about templates later. Below that is the Recent Documents list. If Word is newly installed, this will be empty at first. You can also import documents to Favorites. Click the Start shape next to the document and it will be added to Favorites. Next, you have the New tab, where you can start a blank document or search for templates. The Open tab lets you open files from your computer, OneDrive, or even a SharePoint site. Speaking of OneDrive, your Microsoft 365 subscription includes cloud storage. It's usually set up automatically. If you don't see OneDrive listed, click Add a Place. Sign in with your Microsoft account, and it will appear here. Now, a few more things to note on this screen. You have an Account section, where you can check for updates. One big benefit of Microsoft 365 is that you'll always have the latest version of Word, because updates happen automatically. You can also personalize your experience. Change your profile picture. Select a different office background, or switch to a different theme like dark gray, black, or white, if you prefer something easier on your eyes. Finally, you have access to Word options, where you can customize Word in detail. We'll explore these options later in the course. So now, we've successfully launched Word and explored the Start screen. That's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll start working with Word interface. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.